Curvy Cutie. It's your favorite plus size beauty. It's Mariee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a vibe. And become a Curvy Cutie because we do all things plus size here. The bigger the better. Because the heavier is the only way. Alright? So you already see the thumbnail and the title of it. See the organization and how I'm going to unpack my new house and how I'm going to decorate rooms. And this is where you need to be. If you don't know what's going on with me, then go ahead and check out my couples page, my family page, plus size edition, where we've pretty much been expressing and showcasing everything that we have been going through to get us to this day. So pause it. The bathroom floor it can potentially cave in at any given moment. On top of us trying to stay on top of those corrections of the dishwasher not working, the garbage disposal backed up, sink holding water, dishwasher holding water, can't use the downstairs bathroom, plumbing upstairs not working, sink draining slow, that toilet's not working in our master bedroom. So now we're down to one bathroom and a 3-bedroom with 3 people. Go catch up and then come back and see me. If you're just here to see the organization and how I'm going to unpack my new house, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a motherfucking bite. And let me show y'all what room we're gonna work on first. So I'm gonna start in the kitchen. I'm gonna start in the kitchen only because Bae's going back to work and I want him to be able to access stuff without making it chaotic, okay? You gotta control the chaos. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen first and then I'm going to probably move into the master bedroom because we got hella stuff in here. And, well, I'm gonna go get the mattress today. I'm gonna go pick up the mattress today. So make sure you like the video if you enjoy these types of videos so I know to keep making them because we're in a 4-bedroom house. So I definitely would love to do this in every room. Yeah, so let me show you what we're starting with. All right, so this is the kitchen for the most part. We don't have a trash can yet, so I'm using this as a trash box. Extra tissue that needs to go somewhere else. Trash cans, deep freezers are already plugged in. Stuff that we bought that we needed just to get by. Things from the old house that I need to. And then put the stuff back in there. Or I might use it for something else. I'm not sure yet. More stuff that I need to set up. I was trying to unthaw this milk. But do y'all see this date? Now listen, when you freeze your milk, the date don't really make, never mind because you froze it before it expired. But the fact that we wasn't living in the old house and this was in a deep freezer, I'm just gonna toss it out altogether. Don't trust it. When I got some new pots and pans until the ones that I really, really need come in the mail. And then I got me some wine glasses. Believe it or not, y'all, these wine glasses have been in the house for freaking ever. But now that I have the cabinet space to organize, definitely going to get it done. More stuff to unpack. Rice, Daddy set up these. My air fryer, as you can see, it needs to be really, really clean good. So that's what I'm gonna do. Attempted to try to work on. So the thing people what's crazy is I'm using this window to prop y'all up and I got a whole tripod over there on the floor. But anyway, so the thing that people don't like to tell you when you move is you need little stuff. Like, I got these pots and pans and stuff like that. I was like, okay, cool. Let's go ahead and be able to cook because we got hella stuff, like hella meat and stuff that we could use. No, they had no soap. I did not have no soap. So, couldn't wash the dishes. So that's why the dishes are in the sink. But I'm not gonna keep talking to y'all. Let's go ahead and unbox this kitchen. I'm gonna get the tripod. Let y'all look.
we have everything pretty much set up.